Open minds and open skies, all dolled up in can place while they were burning through the heat, and the heat burns through the sky. Ever since they were young, two things were never spared. The summertime was theirs, and there was no time left to care. Let it breathe.